Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the GAPS diet introduction phase stage 5. We're going to be going over what foods to add in this stage and how to do it. So in this stage, you're nearing the end. You have only one more stage of GAPS intro before you go into the full GAPS diet. So congratulations on making it this far. These early stages of the GAPS diet are hard, and oftentimes they're the hardest part of the GAPS diet. So good job for sticking with it. I hope that you're doing well and you're feeling good if you're doing these stages right now. So the first food that we get to add in stage 5 is cooked apple. This is the week when we get to have some fruit again finally after going without it for all of the previous stages. So you want this to be cooked apple, you want it to be peeled and cored. I have a video on how to make a GAPS intro applesauce or cooked apples. I will have that linked below. You want to make sure that you serve it with some fat, whichever animal fat your body is doing well with right now. Ghee, tallow, duck fat, anything like that. Start with just a few spoonfuls. Watch carefully to see how your body does. This will be kind of the first time that you're having some sweeter things again, so watch and make sure that your body's doing okay with it. And if you are, then go ahead and gradually increase the amount. The next thing that you get to add in are raw vegetables. So you're gonna start with very soft pieces of lettuce and then also some peeled cucumber. Like with everything else, you wanna start very small and gradually increase. If diarrhea was something that you were struggling with, watch carefully to make sure that you're not going too quickly with this step. Make sure that that doesn't start to come back. Once the soft lettuces and the raw cucumber are going well, you can gradually add in other GAPS legal raw vegetables as well. Make sure that you chew them very well. That'll help that digestive process happen without irritating your gut, and it'll help decrease the likelihood of diarrhea reappearing if you were struggling with that. And then the last thing that we get to add in stage 5 is adding some juice to the freshly pressed juices that you're making. Apple, pineapple, and mango are really good additions. This makes the juice even tastier, so that's always fun, and it has good beneficial properties of its own. Avoid any citrus fruits at this stage. Okay, so those are the foods that we get to add back in this stage. I will be having more GAPS diet recipes specific to these different earlier stages coming out soon, so watch for those. And if you're new, I wanted to go ahead and mention again that free GAPS Essential Recipes ebook that has all of these recipes that you need to know how to make for the beginning stages of the GAPS diet. I'll have a link to that below if you want to grab it. If you're liking these GAPS diet videos, then go ahead and give them a thumbs up. That lets me know that you're liking them and helps other people find them. Consider sharing this with anybody that you think might find it helpful. And then if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every week on traditional health wisdom and living a sustainable DIY lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.